电脑，电脑，电脑，电脑，电脑。It means computer. The next word is 电视，电视，电视，电视，电视。It means television. The next word is 电影，电影，电影。It means movie or film. The next word is 东西，东西，东西，东西，东西。It means thing or stuff. The next word is 兜，兜，兜。It means all or both. The next word is 读，读，读。It means read. The next word is 对不起，对不起，对不起，对不起。It means sorry. The next word is 多，多，多。It means many. The next word is 多少，多少，多少，多少，多少。It means how much. The next word is 儿子，儿子，儿子，儿子。It means son. The next word is 饭店，饭店，饭店，饭店。It means restaurant or hotel. The next word is 飞机，飞机，飞机，飞机。It means airplane. The next word is 分钟，分钟，分钟，分钟，分钟。It means minute. The last word is 高兴，高兴，高兴，高兴。It means happy or glad. Yes, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel If you like this video, don't forget to click like and share to your friend. If you have a question, you can ask me below this video. Okay, thank you. See you next video. Goodbye.